Hello to all my artsy friends. Today we'll be using one thrifted item, one brand new item, and the third project will be upcycling an old craft into something brand new. I was inspired by a recent mini home makeover to do black and white for these crafts today. We just swapped out our silver doorknobs for black, and I love the stark contrast of the black knobs against the white doors. It made such a difference in the look of our doors, and the color combo really pops. You know I love chic, classic, elegant decor, so we'll be using a black and white theme to accomplish that on these 3 DIYs. I had fun on my recent trip to this thrift store. They are so sweet there, and all the proceeds go to the Benedictine Sisters Monastery. We will not be making this lantern over because I think it's perfect just the way it is. And get this, it was only $5. That included the glass candle, and I even asked if she was sure this wasn't more than $5, and she said, no, that's the price. So I just donated a couple extra dollars because I felt like I was ripping them off or something, because that was such a good deal. I'm going to be doing a nautical bedroom makeover really soon, so I think this will look perfect in there. I also picked up this tart pan for only $3. I've used these Dollar Tree margarita glasses as bases for stands before. I have one here that I will be spray painting white along with that tart pan. I found this black and white checkered contact paper at Target. You can also find this floral option at Dollar Tree. We're just going to trace the center of that tart pan and trim it out. This video is part of a collab with a small group of friends. If you love thrift makeovers, then you will love all the ideas we've put together on the playlist. I'll make sure to link that playlist below so you can check it out when you're done with my video. Then stick it right onto the white side of the tart pan. Using the white side will ensure that no darkness comes through, and we have a nice bright background on the white parts of those window panes. After gluing the pan together, grab some wired ribbon and start creating pleats. You can add a tiny dot of glue in the middle of each pleat to make sure it stays together. After we have enough to go around the entire tart pan, we can start to glue it against the inside edge. All that's left to do is glue the top of our cake stand to the margarita glass base. I would recommend some E6000 for this part. Next, we'll work with a brand new item. I picked up this cute metal tin at Dollar Tree. They've had these for several seasons now. I remember a couple years ago I did a spa basket with one of these baskets. That one got lost in the move from Texas to Colorado, so I did have to go and pick up a new one, and they look identical. Let's give this a coat of white paint and see how it turns out. I love this. That flat white spray paint makes this look so elegant. I had some washi tape in several different black and white patterns. I went with the striped one. This didn't stick as well as I wanted, but I used a little dot of glue at the sides to hold it in place. I think a piece of ribbon hot glued down may have worked better, so I would suggest that if you're going to make this yourself. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you may know I am kind of particular on how much distressing that I do on my pieces. I kind of stress over distressing. I like a gentle touch, so I knew I had to be careful not to remove too much of the paint, but just enough to have the words come through. A fine grit sandpaper is key here. If you're new here, welcome to Artsy Cupcake. My name is Maria, and I share elegant crafts and home DIYs so you can get lots of ideas to find your inner artist. Please consider subscribing if you like home decor inspiration so you can be part of this uplifting and creative community here on Artsy Cupcake. Now we need some little feet for the bottom of the stand. I know these are eyeballs, not feet, but we're gonna fix that with some white spray paint. Ping pong balls would also work for this, but I only had one ping pong ball on hand. You can see the size difference here. I think either size will be great for this project. After placing some beautiful succulent decor in the floral foam, we have a gorgeous piece of decor for only a few dollars. You may recognize the next two items from previous tutorials. I had done a bird themed video, and this was part of a boho looking plant hanging. Then this little pot was part of an Easter tiered tray I had put together. We'll start by removing the twine on this pot. I like the rounded dot stickers that I had put on there, so we will leave those. You can find those dot stickers at Dollar Tree. A coat of white paint, and this looks fresh and new. I gave the bowl a coat of white paint as well, and I will attach these two together with some E6000. I put something heavy on top of this and left them overnight. After that dried, I decided I wanted a touch of black on this piece, so I colored in those rounded dots with a Sharpie. I also sanded the dots on the top to have a bit of the black peeking through. I like things simple and elegant, so I always hesitate to go overboard on the decoration of my DIYs, but I decided to go ahead and add some tassels to the top edge. I was on the fence about these, but let me know in the comments what you think. I found these at Dollar Tree and was obsessed and picked up a whole bunch of them. I think these are supposed to be anemones and they're so pretty. I love the contrast of that dark center. I popped a bit of floral foam in the bowl and created a dome effect with the anemones. I removed the green leaves on about half of the flowers so there would be a nice balance of florals to greenery. Don't forget to subscribe for more home decor ideas every week, and check out that playlist below for more thrift makeover inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a creative day. Bye!